Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to give you one tips to control and save your battery health of your iPhone. So the tips is don't ever use your phone whenever you charge your phone, because it can affect your battery health. Why? Because whenever you charge your phone try to get the stop all activity to make the energy or the level of the battery got increase. So whenever you are using your phone, whenever you charge it will be affecting the performance of the battery itself. And you also, if you want to save your battery health, don't use the save power mode that often. You just need to open the settings, and then you just need to open the battery section, and don't use this low power mode that often, because it also can affecting your battery health. You can see here, this is the performance of my battery. So I could charge forever less than an hour to get 100%, and I will not gonna use it whenever I charge my phone. So that now you can just control it by googling into this battery health and charging, and that could be showing you your battery capacity of your battery health on your iPhone. And again, the tips is don't use this low power mode that often, and don't use your phone whenever you charge it. Just go control yourself for stop using your phone, and you can back to your phone after it's fully charged. So that's for today's tips. Hopefully it's helping you. Don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming tips. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.